So, Goldmore early everyone, no? So, nasa train station tayo ngayon, North Greenwich. And then, pupunta tayo sa cable car. Yan, papasyal ko kayo sa cable car. So, please stay until the end of this video. So, papunta tayo ngayon sa O2. We are just here yesterday. Kaya lang, unfortunately, hindi tayo nakasakay ng cable car yesterday. Today is raining. 21 degree ang ating temperature. Parang gusto ko to. Napakamahal naman ng kape. 4 pound. That is 300 pesos. Pero mamaya try natin yun. Kahit isang beses man lang. Sa buong trip natin dito, no? Pero I already experienced yung coffee ng British coffee, no? And I had a blog about it. I hope you watch it, guys. So that one is Greenwich Peninsula, and we are approaching O2, no? By the way, guys, this O2 was built by Emirati, as they said. So, gawa daw ito ng Emirati. Fine weather today, guys. Malamig. At kanina umulan, ngayon ambon-ambon na lang. But it's okay. I like this kind of weather. Rather than 25, 26, 27 degree. Medyo mainit yun. This one is fine. Alright guys, hindi na naman ako nagsuklay, pero okay lang yan. Sanay na naman kayo na hindi ako nagsusuklay. So anyways, igagala ko kayo ngayon. I hope na mag-enjoy tayo. Remaining 9 days, no? Sa ating London adventure. Okay, andito tayo ngayon sa sa Costco Coffee British. I think I'll have a all butter croissant. Alright, we're going to wait for them here. Kape muna tayo while waiting. Napaka-cozy ng place, no? Wala masyadong tao. Ganito yung mall na gusto ko, hindi congested. Okay, ang kagandahan dito, no? No need for you to exchange money sa airport or bring dollar. All you need to do is bring your ATM card, and then top up ka lang. Konti lang yung diferensya niya, kaya much okay yung mas okay yung meron kang ATM. So this is our order. We're just waiting for our coffee. So this is it. So let's go to look for our table. Let me hold this one, guys. Alright. So tayo ay magkakape muna, no? Wow, look at the butter. And look at the croissant. I love croissant, guys. So let me drink my coffee first. I'll get back to you later. Nako, I forgot to tell him na no foam, please. I don't like foam. Hirap inumin mga masyadong foam. Kaya ayoko ng may foam. Yun guys, naubos na natin yung kape natin, no? And then yung baon nating tubig ay muntik ko nang maubos sa sobrang pait nung kape. Excuse me? So, CR muna tayo. Nandiyan na sila sa taas. Alright guys, papunta tayo ngayon ng Tommy, no? Nasa Tommy daw sila. So, hanapin natin yung Tommy. Parang nadaanan na natin kanina yun. Alright, Tommy, where are you? Hindi ko alam guys, no, kung mabubuksan ko yung audio nito kasi merong background music. Baka makopyright tayo ni YouTube. But I will try. So we are looking now for Tommy. Nasaan na si Tommy? Alright, I think si Tommy katabi ni Calvin Klein. Ayun, guys, nakita na natin yung isang appointment natin, no. Nagsha-shopping na naman, no. You say hi to my vlog. Yun. Shopping na naman kami ngayon. Kind of bit. Iba talaga pagka mga kakuyog mo, mayayaman eh.
See if you like it and check if I can do anything. But this is newest collection. We just received it yesterday. Everything.
I think the blue one.
This one, yeah. Allow me.
Wow.
But the problem, bumili ako last time.
It's okay, you just buy and buy. While you're still in London, baby. I think the blue one.
It's a very good size as well.
How much is that?
179.
1,700.
1 million.
1 million. Oh.
Oh my goodness.
179.
179.
Yes.
Ang gwapo naman ng tindero dito.
I can make it smaller for you.
Because the one at the other store that I might like this, you can't make it smaller.
Really?
Yeah, I need to go to.
No, we do it straight away. It takes 2 minutes. Yes.
Pag yan ang suot mo, marami kang mabibenta.
Yes, it should be seafront
Yes.
and Privia Hills.
Yes.
Actually, we're from real
So-
estate in the Philippines.
Ah, nice.
So, bili ka lang ng bili. Tapos trabaho ka ng trabaho. It's
Yes.
okay.
Want to try this one as well?
And then the target it should be 100 million, right?
Ang liit naman, 100 million. You
Gawin
kept
din
on
200.
doing shopping, tapos 100 million lang. Ano ba yan? Walala.
Slightly bigger, but you have a nice
I think the blue one.
colors of
Suited
of
with your kagwapuhan.
So this is a newer design. They've had this design for about a year and a half, but this is the latest one.
Sige, mag-shopping ka lang. Magtitingin-tingin din ako. Tingin lang ako. Nagbagong buhay na ako eh. You say hi to my vlog. Hello. So, another shopping for Mr. Hill. Oh, I forgot my purse. I can use this one until I am inside. It's too hot. Wow, this one is 50% off. 3,890 pounds. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. Look at the money. Show me the money, baby. Why are you not paying in card? Why are you using cash?
Because we will not use this one in the Philippines, right? Or maybe we need the one later.
Yes.
Or yes, use it.
Or maybe you can give it to me. This one is 169. Oh, it's okay. I am happy with my Rolex. Yabong eh. Hindi, matagal na po ito. Matagal ko nang pinaghirapan, pinagduguan. The employee of this shop is so handsome. Look at that. You say hi to my vlog. And the manager, look at that. You know. You meant the shopping. Alright? 2, right? 2 pieces.
4, I think.
4? Oh my goodness. Kulang pa yung exercise mo. You need to do more workout.
We can build muscle in the rest.
Yes. So you have to do more workout. Henry Richards, London. This is London, baby.
Last time, nabiktima din.
Triple time, hindi ka kasya yung 100 million. Your 100 million sale is not good enough.
Yes.
You have to triple time because you always shop around. I think this one is becoming lobot, no?
This is it. You can use only plan and then
Yes.
turn the pan after, right?
Yes. It's so hot in here. Why? I think they are using a sauna.
I think because of the lighting.
Maybe. Yes. Maybe.
Yeah, and then I think it's a little bit yellowish. It's hot.
Ayan, we have a new subscriber. Please, sir, do subscribe. Sheila Teng. S-H-E-I-L-A. And Teng, because I am Chinese. Tango, Echo, Nancy, Germany. Look at that. They have a free perch.
Kalapit ko lang tayo.
I-L-A. T-E-N-G. Teng. Have you found it? Look at that. I have a new subscriber. Mr. What is your name again, Mr. Hussein. Wow. And your nationality is British?
Actually, I'm originally from Iran.
Iran. The reason why he is very handsome. Iran. Oh, we have a new customer. Oh, look at this one. This is my perks. Yeah, we recharge 10%. Ah, okay, good idea. You buy again, Tommy, and then you will get 10%. All right, thank you so much for the fun. Thank you so much. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe. All right, so we are going out. We're going to look for Judith. Where is Judith? Ay, congratulations! Because of that, sagot mo lunch namin. Okay lang yan. Shopping ka lang.
Ma'am,
Oh.
tayo lang daw.
Ano?
Tayo ng ibukan.
Panty dito eh.
Kaya nga, gusto mo bang ubusin lahat ng panty rito sa Calvin Klein? Ayun na yung cable car. Yun. Ah, wow, it's so cold. Napaka, weather dito sa London, no? Oo, extreme minsan. So yun guys, I am with Mr. Hilton. Tan and Teng, tandem today. Yun. Naggagala kami.